Hey there, YouTube fam! Today, we're diving deep into the world of investments. Welcome to our latest episode where we'll be discussing the top investment opportunities for the year 2023. Whether you're a seasoned investor with years of experience or just starting out in the investment game, this video will provide valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of potential financial growth. 1. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies have been making waves for quite some time, and 2023 is no different. Blockchain technology, which underpins cryptocurrencies, revolutionizing various industries like finance and healthcare. The potential for growth and disruption is enormous. However, it's crucial to do thorough research and understand the risks associated with this volatile market. Look into established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also keep an eye on emerging projects that aim to solve real-world problems using blockchain technology. Stay updated with regulatory changes and international developments that can influence the cryptocurrency landscape. 2. Sustainable energy stocks. The world is moving towards a sustainable future, and investing in companies involved in clean energy, solar, wind, and electric vehicles can be a great long-term investment. Governments worldwide are prioritizing sustainability, offering incentives and subsidies to these sectors, making it an attractive investment option for 2023. Companies that focus on energy-efficient solutions, battery technology, and renewable energy infrastructure are particularly promising. Be sure to assess the company's financials, growth plans, and government policies affecting the sector. Additionally, keep track of technological advancements in renewable energy and their potential impact on the market. 3. Artificial intelligence and tech stocks. The rapid advancements in AI technology continue to disrupt industries, from healthcare to finance. Companies leading in AI are constantly innovating and gaining a competitive edge. Investing in AI and tech stocks can provide substantial returns as the demand for AI-driven solutions grows. Look for companies involved in machine learning, natural language processing, automation, and robotics. Evaluate their partnerships, research and development efforts, and market positioning to make informed investment decisions. Stay updated with breakthroughs in AI and emerging technologies to gauge the potential of your investments accurately. Additionally, follow the regulatory landscape concerning AI and data privacy. 4. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate has always been a solid investment choice. REITs in particular provide an excellent opportunity to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management. They offer dividends and capital appreciation potential, making them a favorable choice for many investors. Consider diversifying across different types of REITs, such as residential, commercial, or industrial, and analyze their assets, occupancy rates, and historical performance. Additionally, keep an eye on the real estate market trends and economic factors that can influence property values. Monitor interest rate changes and economic indicators that impact the real estate market. 5. Healthcare and biotech stocks. The ongoing global health situation has emphasized the importance of the healthcare sector. Investing in companies focused on biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare services can be a prudent choice. Continuous advancements in medical technology, a growing aging population, and increased healthcare spending further contribute to the growth potential of this sector. Research companies with strong pipelines, promising drug candidates, and strategic partnerships for a well-rounded view before investing. Stay informed about regulatory updates, clinical trial outcomes, and healthcare policy changes that may affect the healthcare and biotech industry. 6. E-commerce and retail stocks. The shift towards online shopping has been accelerating, and it's not slowing down. Investing in e-commerce and retail giants can be a smart move, especially those embracing technology and adapting to changing consumer behaviors. Keep an eye on emerging markets and innovative business models within this sector. Assess companies based on their e-commerce growth, user experience, supply chain efficiency, and ability to expand globally. Also, consider their response to changing consumer preferences and their competitive strategies in the market. 7. Investing in yourself, education, and skills. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Acquiring new skills, furthering your education, or even starting a small business can provide long-term returns. Knowledge and expertise can open doors to new opportunities and potentially increase your earning potential. Consider online courses and stay relevant in today's dynamic job market. Moreover, building a strong professional network can also significantly enhance your career prospects and business opportunities. Stay updated with emerging skills and educational opportunities relevant to your field or desired career path. Remember, while these investment opportunities hold potential, every investment carries risks. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, consult with financial advisors, and make informed decisions that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. 2023 offers exciting prospects in various sectors. We hope this video has been informative and useful in guiding your investment decisions. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with fellow investors. Also, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay updated on the latest investment insights. Until next time, happy investing!